That's the beast. A little bit rough around the edges. What I paid for it, I can't complain. 4.5 litre petrol, auto. I'd say it's been used for towing. It's got heavy tow bar on it. Got electric brakes. A little bit rough around this side. Been sitting in the sun. Hadn't run for a while, but it actually fires up and runs. Oh, some not nice noises. Is having a tendency to run hot. Sat for, I don't know, quite a number of years. I don't think it was particularly well maintained in the latter stages of its life. It's got 467,710 kilometres on it. I want to see if I can actually get this thing home. Oh, it's pretty rusty and dirty. This whole unit's pretty grungy, and the resistance is all over the place, then it dies. Yeah, that sender's absolutely shot. Oh, those discs are in nasty condition. This disc is absolutely stuffed. I don't think that's going to cut the mustard somehow. Gotcha. Oh, look at that. It's just come straight off. Stick your thumbs in and pull. All right, yep, that stops the bearing coming out. There's some grooves back in here. Oh yeah, that's pretty heavily grooved. There we go. There's that doesn't look good. It's actually not a whole lot of grease in there. Oh, look at that. Hopefully this doesn't fly off and hit me in the face. Probably the first time it comes off, it'll come off with quite a bang. Real keen on having my head down here. Oh, there it goes. Push this bearing up. Pull that forward, bearing drops out. Hub lifts off. As usual, all the plugs were ridiculously tight. Let's have a look, see what actually comes out of this. It's not pretty, and there's not much of it. Oh my god. That's just some of the metal that was attached to this diff drain plug. This is the oil that's come out of it. There's not much there, and it's just mixed up with grease, so yeah, it's a thick, soupy shit. It's pretty freaking dirty. It's covered in that same crap. I use my 81mm driver. Bloody good chance that I'm going to damage this seal. There we go. Now that's in and seated. Oh, it's coming out. It's moved 2 threads. Last. Oh, it's hot. Smack that like button. Remember the video where I pulled it apart? All this was really loose. It was probably no tighter than what that nut is there now. That's not good. And there's a bit of a process to actually get the right preload and tension and stuff on things. There's my jiggle. There's no movement there. It needs to be between 6.4 and 12.6. Move that. Yeah, we've got 7 to 8. Alright, so that's all coated, ready to go. I'm gonna slip it into place. Subscribe. There we go. Shouldn't be too hard to get in there, I hope. Oh no, there we go. Got it. Power steering. Woo. Okay, that's not really what I wanted to happen. Well, oh, look at that. Oh, it's an absolute pain in the ass. So I've got the rear drive shaft out. The cross member's out. It's being held up by the jack at the moment. One bolt undone. Oh, I should be able to lift this drive shaft out. Oh, come here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Come on, come on. Come on for that last little bit. There we go. Here you go. Well, it's out. Alright, so I've just got a bit of a dodgy setup to turn the engine over. Just connected to the battery and I've just earthed it out. Yep, 180 on number one. Number two, that's 185. Going by the plugs that we just pulled out. Let's see if the problem is compression. Oh, that doesn't look good, does it? That's 120. Dropping a little bit of oil into the cylinder has brought the comp up to about 170. So that tells me it might need a set of rings. Let's see what number 4's like. I reckon this one's going to be sus again. Number 4's at 180, so we've got plenty of comp there. Okay, cylinder number 5. 185. Let's see what number 6 is like. So this engine job's going to be a bit more than I was expecting. Well, I don't know what I was expecting on this. And yeah, it is a dirty, horrible brown colour. Ew, yuck. No wonder this thing's got problems. Oh, look at this. Look at the colour of that oil. That is absolutely disgusting. Let's see what this transmission oil looks like. There's a little bit of metal on the magnet, but not a lot. So that's fairly promising. Colour's not brilliant though. It's rather dark. Looks like it's been overheated at some stage. It doesn't surprise me in the slightest. We'll drain the transfer case out. Loose. Well, that's an oil that actually doesn't look too bad. I'm amazed. So there we go, I reckon that engine block's come up pretty well. A little bit more TLC and that'll be ready to start building on. Bit of parts cleaner. Okay, just a little bit more on that one. Don't really want to go any further than that. Well, this cylinder's pretty bad. Look in here. That looks like cracks. Where are we? That looks like a crack there. That looks like a crack there. Running sideways as well. I think that cylinder's toast. Bucket.